Listen to me. Most people will not finish this video. Most people will click away in the next 10 seconds. Why? Because the truth is uncomfortable. The truth hurts. People love to be comfortable. They love to sleep. They love to dream about success, but they hate to wake up and work for it. If you are looking for a magical secret to get rich without work, leave now. If you get angry when someone tells you that you are lazy, leave now. But you are still here. That means there is a fire inside you. You are tired of being normal. You are tired of being poor, weak, and ignored. You are watching this because you know deep inside your heart that you are made for more. Welcome to the top 1%. Let's talk about the real world. Since you were a child, they gave you a script. They told you, go to school, get a safe job, save a little money, and be a good, quiet person. Do you know why they teach you this? Because the system needs workers. The system does not want kings. The system does not want free minds. They want you to be distracted. They want you to watch stupid videos all day. They want you to play games. They want you to eat bad food and feel tired. Because a tired, distracted person will never build an empire. Look around you. Look at the people in your city. Are they truly happy? Or are they just surviving? They are trading the best years of their life for a weekend. You have a choice today. You can be a sheep in the crowd, or you can be the wolf that leads. You like to blame others. You blame the government. You blame your parents. You blame your luck. Stop. I have a secret for you. A very harsh secret. Nobody is coming to save you. Let me say it again so you understand. Nobody is coming to save you. Your friends will not make you rich. Your family cannot push you to the gym. If your life is bad right now, it is your fault. That sounds hard, right? But it is actually the most beautiful truth in the world. Because if it is your fault, that means you have the power to fix it. The only enemy you have is the person in the mirror. It is the voice in your head that says, do it tomorrow. Kill that voice. Do it today. Do it now.
It is time to change. No more excuses. Excuses are for losers. You must become a monster of focus. When you work, let nothing stop you. Put your phone away, lock the door, disappear for 6 months and build your future in silence. Let them laugh at you now. Let them call you crazy. The people who laugh at you today will ask you for a job tomorrow. You are a warrior. You have blood in your veins, not water. Stand up, fight for your life, fight for your family. Every single day is a war, and you must win. Show the world what happens when a person simply refuses to give up. Show them your power. If you made it to the end of this video, you are different. You are the 1%. Do not just close this and go back to sleep. Take action.
Life is going to be hard. Being broke is hard. Building wealth is hard. Choose your hard. Being weak is hard. Getting strong is hard. Choose your hard. There are 2 types of pain in this world. The pain of discipline and the pain of regret. The pain of discipline hurts today. It means waking up early. It means working when you are tired. It means saying no to fun. But the pain of regret, that hurts forever. Imagine you are 80 years old, lying in a hospital bed. Imagine the ghosts of your dreams standing around your bed. They look at you with sad eyes and say, we came to you. Only you could give us life. But you were too lazy. And now, we must die with you. Do not let that happen. Let the fear of regret drive you to madness.
Today, subscribe to this channel. Join the few who actually do the work. I will see you at the top. Wake up!